Okay, here's our patient for the day. It's a 1995 Seadoo HX. It's got that 717cc Rotax motor. Looking for some help today from all you motor heads. Having troubles making it run. The way that it died was running great, coming into the dock, probably either full throttle or half throttle, absolutely shut off as if you had pulled the tether out from underneath it, and it has never ran since. I've replaced both this component here, the CDI. I've also replaced the brain box, pretty expensive stuff. Those are the electrical components. I swear I thought it was electrical. I've taken apart the carbs, rebuilt both carbs, but have no luck. Here's the way it sounds. There you have it. Basically, it'll idle. As soon as I give it any gas, it dies. My theory is that this carb here, if I look in there, I'm seeing that it's getting lots of gas. You can see some residual of it popping out there. This carb here does not seem to be getting any gas. Looking for help on whether or not it should be. I have pulled them off, went through them, watched some YouTube videos on, what areas to clean. Basically pulled every orifice, needle, anything I could out of them. Used carb cleaner, cleaned them up real good. Didn't find anything significant, but nonetheless, it's not working. Looking for some help. Let me know if anyone has any thoughts. Appreciate it.